We will now start working on block 3, and here is the pattern, and actually it is the same pattern as block 2, but because it is worked on this side, it will be square, how do you call it in English? I don't know. Crossover. It will be like this, and well, here you can see it also. Before we continue, when I was ready making the video for this second block, I realized that I used the wrong color. It should have been this color, this blue. And well, I will mark that in my video that you won't get confused. At least I hope so. But now we will use the blue one instead. So this blue should have been here, and this color should have been in the block that we will be doing now. Well, again, we will start working like this. We will use the back post double crochet stitches, and it's double crochet, the medium height stitches. And there is something that is important, and I will show you the back. Here you can also see that I finished my ends of block 2 invisibly. And what is important is this. You can actually also see it here. You see you have 3 stitches here and 5 stitches here, and then you see here this row, and this is actually this row, and we do not work around this. We will work around the single crochet here. That is this one. You have to kind of flip over this because we are looking at the back side. And here you see this stitch that you have to work around. So please pay attention to that. With my instructions, I added these numbers also here, and they are in the right order. So we have to do 8 back post double crochets in total, but we will do 5 along block 1 and then 3 along block 2. So let's do that. So I can show you where the thing is that you really have to pay attention to. So we put a slip knot on the hook and we make our first stitch back post double crochet, and it will be a standing one. So we will work around that single crochet here in the corner, 1 in between chain. So this is number 1. This is number 2. Three, 4, and number 5. So please count this. Every end and every start of a block is very important that you count all the stitches that you do. So here we are at the corner, and this is why I want you to have markers in these corners, because they work like a kind of warning sign that says you have come to a corner, you have to pay attention that you skip this. So our in between chain, so we skip this and we go over to our next stitch here and work around that one. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So count again and count again. 1, 2, 3 for the next row. And then I want to mention something else. Here with this crossover, You see that this square seems to be a little bit wider than the rest, and at this moment it is, but this has to do with the fact that you have this single crochet here that is not worked into a stitch but into that chain opening, so it can slide a bit, and that is no problem at all. When you work the next rows on top of this, it will work out very nice, and it comes together nicely. So if you see that, don't worry about it. And well, then I will show you the next 2 rows. Okay, we will do the first row in color 1 with this new block. And here I have the chart, and here you can again see that we will do back post stitches and we will do an extended double crochet. And well, let's do that. And we also have to see with the instructions where to do these stitches. And first of all, it says row 1A, color 2 to the back, so it is already at the back, and then the side stitch, and we already did that, and then we have to do back 7 times, and we go through that first hole. And here again you see that this post seems to be a little short, and you can slide that a little bit. I showed that previously. So we will do an extended back post stitch. So we go through that first hole, we go around this stitch, pick up the yarn, go through 1, go through 2, go through 2, in between chain, and we had to do that 7 times. So this is 1, 2, go through 1, go through 2, go through 2, and here we are at the intersection between the 2 blocks, and we can just work around that so nothing is happening here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oops, go through 1, go through 2, 2, and then the last one, and then we come to the side stitch again, and the side stitch is just a normal double crochet, so not extended, just a normal double crochet, and then 1, 2, 3, so check again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and of course the side stitches, and then I will quickly show you row 1B, and it says back 8 times, and it's already 1 at the back, and from now on it's just regular interwoven crochet with normal double crochets and working into the top of the double crochets of the previous row in color 2. So this is number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here we have this standing double crochet that we started with in color 2, so we can work into the top of that. So 1, 2, 3 for our next row, and now you can continue with this block like you did with this block, and I will get back to you with showing how to do that border around this third block, and I will see you back then. I have finished the block, and you can see on the back also that I already worked in the ends. And well, we will do our low border. So we start with doing the low stitches, which means the back post half double crochets and the single crochets in the corners. And again, pay attention to the end and the start when you have finished crocheting this border, that you connect it to the corners here on the sides. So I will show a little bit, and then also again watch the numbers that I mention in the instructions, because the instructions say that that we have to do 2 back post half double crochets at the sides and 6 back post half double crochets at the top, and of course then also the single crochets at the corners. And again we will start here at the side. This is the top side of your blanket, you know it, the X marks the spot, and we will do our first, we have to go below the border here, we pick up that first post and we will do half double crochet, so we have to pull it through this also, 1 chain, so this is 1, this is 2, and then we come at the corner, so 1 single crochet, 2 chains, and let's add a marker there. You know why that is now, because it works as a warning sign. And again work along the top side and do the back post half double crochets. And well, I will not finish it all, just work like the schedule, work along the top row. Here you do the single crochets with the chains in between, and here you do the 2 back post half double crochets, and then at the start and at the end you take a needle and you connect it to this corner here, you bring it back, don't pull it too tight so that this green line stays in a straight way, and then finish your ends, and then you will have done your third block. And I will also show you the start of the next block, because there will be something different there.